The 2023-2024 intermiamicf Lionel Messi home kit has just been released. I'm the Jersey Jaguar, and today we're going to go over the kit that's also known as the Togetherness kit. I'm going to go over the details and give it a final score. With that said, let's get right to it. Alright, so before we get started, if you don't mind dropping me a like and subscribe, I am a new channel. I am growing fast, and it's thanks to you guys. Again, I appreciate your support. Alright, with that said, let's get right into this kit. Now guys, obviously it's going to be the 2023-2024 intermiamicf kit. Now we're looking specifically at Lionel Messi, and it's also known as the Togetherness kit. The one I'm wearing from last season is also Lionel Messi, and this is the player version. This was known as the Heartbeat kit. Now the 2023 and 2024 Togetherness kit is going to be running $130 for the replica version, also known as the fan version, and it's going to be $180 for the player version, also known as the authentic version. If you want the sponsors on the sleeves, some shops have those for $194 plus tax depending on where you live. Now this kit is going to be all pink, just like the pink that you see me wearing on this Heartbeat kit. And it is going to have a little bit more details than this current Heartbeat kit. The 2023-2024 Togetherness model is first and foremost going to have that brand new Royal Caribbean sponsor logo on the front. I absolutely love that logo. I think it looks great on these jerseys. They did a good job choosing that sponsor and a good job with that logo. Now in terms of the team logo, they're going to move it from the side all the way into the center, as well as the Adidas logo above that. Now we are going to have the 3 black stripes, and then on the sleeves we're going to have a lighter shade of pink, and then we are going to have black. So really cool accent details. Now when we turn the jersey around, as you can see online, there is no stripes at all except for on the shoulders. On the 23-24 model, we are going to have that classic current Adidas striping on the back in black that goes all the way around to the bottom. In addition, this is going to be using the current Adidas tighter fitting jersey, guys. So if you're getting the player model, keep in mind this is going to be a tighter fitting jersey. This one does not fit as tight as the current one is. I'm currently wearing a size large. I'm about 6'2", 183 pounds, and that's roughly 188, 189 centimeters, and I believe 74.5 kilograms. So you could get a size comparison. But again, the current model that we are talking about is going to fit tighter, just to keep that in mind, all right? To finish things off, we are going to have a black stripe coming around the collar, and then on the back, it is going to say Freedom the Dream. We are going to have that same MLS type font for the player number and name. All right, so what do I think about this kit and what review do I give it, guys? I love that they are still going all pink with the kit, just with some black details. And they even do have what looks to be a lighter shade of pink, especially on that player version. Now, I love pink. I love how Inter Miami really embraces that and wants to be different while keeping a true Floridian touch. If you ask me, this one is nice and clean. The newer one is a little bit busier. However, it does fit that Miami swag and style. Now, in my original video, I gave this 2022-2023 Heartbeat kit a 9.25 overall score. I'm going to give this current 2023-2024 Togetherness kit a overall score of a 9. Absolute lowest, a 8.75. I think 9 is a fair score. And they did a great job with that new sponsor upgrade on the 23-24 Togetherness kit. However, overall, I think I like this Heartbeat kit a hair better. Guys, one thing I want to say is this new kit looks awesome now. However, in a few years from now, we'll see how it holds up. I don't know if it will. It would have looked cool also way back in the early 2000s. I think it would have been a nice style for then. However, right now, I think the 22-23 Heartbeat kit holds a little bit more value across a bunch of different generations. I think this is a classic jersey that everybody's going to remember, especially for his first year. If you do get the 23-24 Togetherness kit, it is absolutely a great buy. Again, I do have it between an 8.75 and a 9. It is an awesome kit, especially for them hot summer months. All right, thank you for sticking around to the end. I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you think about this brand new 2023-2024 intermiamicf Lionel Messi Togetherness kit. Let me know too if you'll be getting one, and if you'll be getting the player version or if you'll be getting the fan version. If there's another video you'd like to see me do in the future, don't hesitate to ask. I'll do my best to get it done. And also keep in mind, I do have the La Noche kit out for this season as well. I'll see you at the next one.